guys, welcome to my photography channel. This is my very first long form video. And basically, if you see my shorts or my posts, you get a lot of cool photos and stuff, but those are pretty much really heavily edited, like really heavily edited to bring out the subjects more. Mostly it's lighting and sharpness to bring out the subject of the photo. But yeah, so here my long form videos, you can see is I'm riding to get my photos. You can actually see my photos as they are completely unedited. So yeah, and yeah, I'm riding a bike, so it's not that good. But I will stop and I will talk a little bit louder since it's kind of hard to hear me when I'm riding. So basically, if you guys want to see some stuff, you can go there and see this. So I'm going to show you right now as I tilt my screen back. So the video might be a little shaky because I'm riding and I need to avoid certain obstacles and turn at certain points. So yes, it might be a little bit shaky, but I hope you enjoy it. I'm a really small creator, so it means the world to me if you could just like and drop a comment and drop something down in the comments. You could just like, you don't have to subscribe. If you could, that would be awesome, but if you can't, then yeah, just a like would be fine. Like, I'm not asking for much, just a like. But if you don't want to, you can share this video with people who might like my channel. So yeah, I'm not saying you have to, but it would really help if you could. And right here we're entering a really tree-ish area, but we have to turn around soon because bikes are not back there. Okay, here we have to turn and we're gonna go down a slope. So right now they're in a bit of a sheltered area, but we can turn back out to the outdoor area. It's rather drizzly right now. I think that gives it more of a mood though. If you like moody stuff, I guess. But if like other stuff, you can always go to the other videos. They're not bad as well. And we are also entering a more tree-ish area. This is the same terrain that we cycled over, but from the other view, because we have to turn back, as you can see. There's some rain, not really rain actually, it's actually water droplets dripping from the tree. It's the trees. We're on a pretty public path, so yeah. I see another photographer down. So it's really good for photography, this part. Take some photos of them when I'm riding back later after this video. So right now I have to go through this area and we are going to turn back soon because we're entering a really foresty area and it's quite dark in there and I don't want to be around here, luckily, that we don't have to quickly haphazardly turn. So there's a turn around here. There's also very treey that you can look at. Right about here we turn. Oops, there's a little bump for us. Just for a bit of thrill for you guys, we are taking the slope option because we can go down like really fast later. And yeah. And down we are. But this is not a shot I do. The camera back up to see me. And yeah, we're going really fast. So I need to kind of focus on the road in front, pathway in front, and up back we are. Right. The rain is getting kind of heavy. The rain's getting kind of heavy, so. Oops. See the mother hen and the chicks again. And right here we have to turn back a little. Okay, because I just want to get some photos of the chickens right back there. And you can see them as well. So these are the chickens. I just saw a squirrel. And here are the chickens. Can you see them? I don't know if you can see them. Let me just show you guys. So yeah, those are the chickens. I think the white one's the mother hen and the rest are her chicks, I think. And yeah, okay, back to back. That is kind of lousy. Okay, there we go. And as you can see, my video kind of cut because I hit the limit on my camera, but I pieced the two videos back together, so it's all. And we are going to turn again. I'm not sure if bikes are allowed up here, but let's just take our chance. It's a more foresty area, and I don't see any officers. Plus, it's a park, so I'm assuming bicycles are allowed because there's no signs like there is at the other zone. This is a really, it's not very foresty since there are paths, not like the other foresty area, but it is very treey. Oh, this part is really good for photography. I see another photographer. And right here I have to get off my bike. As you can see, I'm getting off my bike. I'm walking because the slope is really steep right here, and it's impossible to ride. Continue looking at the scenery. And there are some very good meadows up there that I might show you guys. Ooh, we found something. Just bear with me for a while. Oops. Well, the bike fell, so sorry. Wait, I'll ask my assistant to help me hold up the bike because there's no bike stands here. It's kind of a foresty area. Not foresty, I mean there are paths, but it's very treey, so no stands here. So I need to ask my assistant. You hold, I take something. Okay guys, I'm back. Let's go. Just wanted to pick up something I saw on the ground. It's not money by the way, it's just a cool air seat. Like those kind of flying seats, you see, I like to drop them. And down the slope we go. Ooh, it's very fast. Okay, we need to slow down. Now turn we go. Almost ran over a squirrel there. And throw. Kind of pinch my finger over there. The brake. So we're going really fast, but up we're going to the hilly area. It's actually kind of hill. It's like up slope. And after this, I want to get some pics of the trees back there. You can see now that we are approaching another more tree-ish area. I don't know what to call it, but there are a lot of trees back here. Wait, we have to pause for a moment. And I need to cut my video for a moment, but I'll be back. Don't worry, you didn't miss any of the photographies. You didn't miss any of the nature shots. Cause just needed to do something with my phone, which is I had to take some photos, but we're at the exact same spot. Okay, and back on the bike we go. I was sorry if my cuts aren't as good, but honestly. Ooh, and here's a really smooth sky. It's quite open sky right now. And ooh, here's somebody who's scattering for the squirrels. Oh wait, that's this flower blossoms. The tree's been shedding. And out down the slope we go. That was fast. I almost went down again. That would have been awful. Investment. And I think this is where the video has to come to an end. Don't forget to like and subscribe.